how to get streaks on TikTok. So if you want to get streaks on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, or just go with inbox, which is again on the bottom right. Once you're on your inbox, you need to scroll down and go with a chat, and you will find an option of hatch a streak pet together here on the bottom. You need to just tap on it and the invitation will be sent to the person. In my case, I've already sent right here. So here, as you can see, that it says streak pets are virtual characters you can raise together. You'll hatch the pet by chatting for 3 days to unlock a streak with them. In order to get streaks on your TikTok, first you need to chat with the person 3 days to unlock a streak. After chatting for 3 days, 3 consecutive days, then you will have 1 streak. And once you've started the streak, you can maintain the streaks by constantly chatting or sending some TikToks. Make sure that you have the conversation both sides. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.